Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I made this painting using washi tape. It's super easy, so keep watching. So washi tape is a crafting tape. It's often used for journaling, sketchbooks, artsy stuff, etc. I love using it for the borders of my paintings. It creates that really nice crisp line. First of all, you can get so many cute designs, which makes it really fun. And second, I love that it comes in a variety of sizes. But more importantly, the whole reason you clicked on this video is that I've recently tested out using washi tape within the painting, not just for the border. So as you can see here, I started off putting up my border. Again, those really crisp white edges. It's perfect for this type of painting like watercolor. I also laid down, as you can see, some thicker washi tape, and that's where I want to put my birch trees. Then I just made sure that the tape was super secure, and I went about painting the background, which the paint won't soak underneath that tape. I also want to say that this painting was inspired of an amazing watercolor artist named Lagasse. He was so kind when I contacted him about using his painting as inspo and using it as material for this video. So please check him out. Again, links will be found in the description box. When I was done with the background and ready to start on my trees, voila! I had exactly the space that I wanted to put my trees. Now, for some trees, this method would be pointless, and depending on the medium you're using, because the depth of the tree color itself would easily cover over the background. But for birch trees and watercolor, they are predominantly light, close to being white, so you want that fresh paper. Side note, again, how cute is this washi tape? There are so many different designs that you can buy. So I'm not sponsored. I do have some Amazon links ready for you in my description box, so check those out. At the time of this video being released, I'm not currently being monetized by YouTube either, so I'm not being paid for any of this. So if you choose to use the links, it is a small and lovely way to support my channel. Speaking of which, go ahead, subscribe. You will never look back. So do you have to paint your birch trees like this? Yes. No, I'm kidding. No, you paint them however you want. I just thought this would be a great idea for beginners. Also, for myself, yesterday when I painted this, it just took away the stress a little bit about worrying about getting paint in the wrong spot. If you do decide to use washi tape, one tip is be careful when you're pulling the tape because occasionally it pulls at the paper. So just be gentle and pull it slowly. Also, you can heat up the tape a little bit with a blow dryer. Sometimes that can help too. Overall though, I have no complications generally, and it's a great tool and I highly recommend in getting it. Overall, this painting turned out pretty good. What I want to know is, what do you think of this painting and also this method? Is there anything else you'd like for me to try painting using washi tape? Just let me know in the comments below. Share this video with your best friend or your mom because they'll probably like it. And stay tuned because I have more things to share with you.